The STRICH Electric Bass Guitar 4-string model delivers reliable tuning stability thanks to solid metal tuners and clearly marked frets that make intonation straightforward for beginners. Its full-size body and smoothly contoured wooden fingerboard feel comfortable during long practice sessions, while the Canadian maple neck adds a reassuring sense of strength and responsiveness. The classic PB-inspired design with a black finish and sunset-style burst accents gives this bass a stage-ready look that suits everything from to weekend gigs. A single pickup paired with two simple control knobs offers a surprisingly flexible range of tones, making it easy for new players to explore different genres without getting lost in complex electronics. The included beginner-friendly kit with amplifier, cable, strap, and tuner means you can plug in and start learning immediately without hunting for extra accessories. Overall, this STRICH bass strikes a thoughtful balance between playability, tone, and visual appeal, making it a strong first instrument for anyone serious about learning electric bass.